21, baby. I'm gonna show you how to make the best eggnog latte. Let's talk about the epidemic of this here. Okay, I brought you guys down a little bit, but I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best eggnog latte. I've been making this for like a month now and I'm not sick of it. So I wanna show you guys, it's so good. It's literally 2 ingredients, but still. Hi guys, good morning. I filmed this probably 3 times already because I wanted the lighting to be perfect, but you guys are on a cookie box right now as my tripod, so that's nice. I'm excited. I just wanted to give like a little brief intro as to why I'm even doing Vlogmas this year. I just feel like I want to be held accountable to have gratitude in my life. This is day 1 of Vlogmas, technically day 0 because some people like to vlog the 1st of December. Okay, I'm gonna start off strong and show you guys my favorite drink from the past, like, I don't know, a couple weeks now. And it is literally an eggnog latte. It's the best eggnog latte in my opinion. I've tried so far 2 different versions of it and I really like this one, so it's your guys' lucky day. I'm gonna show you. Starting with a pot of coffee. You literally can just take any type of coffee, to be honest, it doesn't matter. And then you're just gonna fill up your favorite mug, maybe halfway. That's it. That's all the coffee that's left. People who drink black coffee straight are just, I don't know, my heart goes out to you. Then if it's not hot like this, you're gonna just microwave it for like 30 seconds to maybe like a minute, depending on your microwave. Wait for that to microwave. I'm back. Next, we're gonna take our eggnog, but not just any eggnog, eggnog from Trader Joe's. Hello, bringing you guys to this level. Now you just wanna pour it to about, I mean, you guys can't see anyways. I pour a lot, like I like it sweet. And you just mix it, and this is my favorite part. Ooh, so pretty. Look, my glass literally says, don't get your tinsel in the tingle. Ha ha ha. Cheers. Taste test. I would not want to start Vlogmas any other way. Do you guys remember when Starbucks had eggnog lattes on their holiday menu? It was like, I want to say like 2015, 2016, maybe 2017. Those were the times. Like, I would be ordering these nonstop, but honestly, I can make them at home now. But if I didn't make them at home, I would definitely be buying Starbucks because they were so good. I don't know what was in them. Probably just a lot of cream and sugar, but they were so good. That and then the gingerbread lattes, that was really good because it was more spicy, you know? It's a good morning so far. I like this. I think I'm gonna do Vlogmas. Okay, so I kind of wanted to chat with you guys real quick because I don't know how long I'm gonna do Vlogmas for, to be honest. I have like a notes app list of like video concepts that I would like to do. So if I miss a couple days here and there, like, oh well, like it really doesn't matter. But at the same time, like I really love Vlogmas because it really forces me to get out of my comfort zone. It forces me to find things that are like holly and jolly throughout my days, like finding this mug, like drinking an eggnog latte. Like it's just the little things, and it really forces me to have gratitude, and this is why I love vlogging in the first place. So we're just gonna see how long this lasts, to be completely honest, and I'm just happy to do it. So this is technically my 2nd year doing Vlogmas because I've done vlogs in December before, but I never really like stuck with it. So maybe this will be the 1st year. I don't know, we're leaving it open, so we're gonna try our best here. Okay, let's get on with our day. First thumbnail of Vlogmas, coming at ya. I like the fake selfie. I want to take a sip, but it's like actually hot because I just reheated it. And that's a wrap. So I don't know where the day went, but basically I took a body shower in the middle of the day and it's already like dark out. Probably because it's raining outside, it's overcast, and it's the fall/winter time. But I just feel very, I don't know. I feel like this day's just gone I fast, I don't know. But I need to go eat some lunch. I probably won't show that. And then I have to finish editing the Thanksgiving vlog. It is literally the 1st of December and I meant to get it up within the last week, but I just felt like I have a million other things to do. So I'm working on that. Hopefully it's up before tomorrow, because tomorrow is gonna be day 1 of Vlogmas, and then all of a sudden you feel backed up as like a YouTuber and you have all this content that you need to like rush out. What I've noticed too is that sometimes the vlogs just end abruptly. Like I was watching Lauren Geraldo's vlog from like last year and I remember it being like cut off, but she just played music at the end, so I'm like, okay, that's cool too. I think it's just, I don't know how to explain it. It's supposed to be a fun thing. So I'm gonna try to get that vlog up today, and then I'm also doing some emails too, so. All right, I'm gonna edit. Guys, look at how cute Bella looks in her little red sweater. She's so cute. She doesn't like to be disturbed when she's taking a nap. Okay, bye. I'm eating leftover Thanksgiving soup. I don't know why I grabbed the spoon with holes in it, but there's not much soup left, so. Now for a healthy dessert, I'm eating some mixed berries, raspberries, strawberries, blueberries. Some of them were a little moldy, so I washed it off and just pray that like I don't get sick. Oh, also for some added protein, I am taking some cashews and some walnuts, just for, you know. And it fills you up too, because I don't know, if you eat fruit like me, I would just pick at it. Like, look how pretty she is. Such a cute and healthy snack. Hi vlog. So it is 12:28 and I didn't make the midnight deadline, but I'm still gonna upload it. So right now I'm going to take off my editor hat and now put on my graphic designer hat, because now I have to make a thumbnail, and then I'm going to put on my marketing hat and do all the hashtags, the links, the everything that goes in the description on YouTube. So I'll be wearing that hat very shortly. So just thought I'd let you know. No makeup, slay. Slay!